What is good, everybody? Welcome to the channel, and I'm back at you with another video. And in today's video, if you can't tell by the title, I'm going to be installing the Euro style tail lights for the S197. Finally they have Euro style tail lights for these cars. You don't know how long I've been waiting for these, and you know, huge shout out to Stang Lights for making it happen. I know they were on eBay a few months back and they sold out, and Stang Lights went to the manufacturer and had a bunch made, which is awesome. And I just, you know, I thought about ordering from eBay, but I was like, I'll support them because they're cool. And this is not sponsored, so without further ado and lagging, I'll show you what they look like. And yeah, I know the car's dirty. I'm gonna clean the car before I put them on, because it just rained the other day, so it's freaking filthy. But here we go. And forgive the trunk, it's super messy in the trunk, but this is what we've been waiting for. Let me get a good grip on them so I don't drop them. But man, sheesh, it is gonna make the car look so much better. And I'm not just gonna throw them on right away. I do have, here, let me put it back down so I don't drop it, because it's hard to film with one hand. But I do have, for these, I have the anchor room inserts, so you don't see the clear lens right here. So I'm going to put those on first, which I'm going to do either today or tomorrow, because I still have work tomorrow. But I'm going to put the inserts in where the clear lens is in the middle from anchor room, and then I'm going to ceramic coat both of the lights, ceramic coat them with two or three coats, probably just two. And yeah, and then I'll put them on the car. So I'm not really going to show the process of putting the anchor room tint on the middle part of the lenses, and not really going to show how to do the ceramic coating either, because it's not that hard. And Anchor Room has a very good video of how to put on their vinyl like tints. So yeah, I'm going to start doing that. I'm gonna put the tints on from Anchor Room probably today, let them dry overnight, and when I'm at work, then when I get back from work, I'll ceramic coat the tail lights. And I gotta let those cure for 24 hours, and then I will clean the car, and then I will put them on. And once they are on, and I'll show them to you guys again, man, they look really good. The quality looks super good on them. I've seen other videos of them, seen other people on Instagram with them, and the quality looks you know, it looks pretty much like OEM. It's got the same housing around them, like same weather stripping, and they are plug and play, which is awesome. So you just unbolt 3 bolts, unplug them, plug and play. Awesome, super simple. And I will have them down in the description. They do still have them for sale, because when I think I bought them back in March for a pre-order, because they had to get a certain amount before the manufacturer would start making them and then send them to them. So it's been about a 5-month wait, but it's been well worth it. And man, they're gonna look sick on the car, especially with this part being black, because the clear is just too much. And yeah, without talking your guys' ear off, I'm gonna hop into doing all that. So I'll see you in probably a couple days my time, but your time, a couple seconds. And just like that, the car is now clean. Well, cleaner. Didn't do a very great job, but it's really easy to take your tail lights out. Just pop the trunk. You're gonna want to get this just forward a little. All it has is one little like plastic screw here, one here, and then 2 Christmas trees, one here and one over here on the other side, and then it will just pop out. Just get it forward. There's 3 11mm bolts, one here, and then the 2 are back here. There's one up top over there, one down below there. Remove the 11mm nuts, disconnect the light, and then it will pop out. I'm not going to show you how to install them, it's that simple. And If you guys stay towards the end of the video, I will show you a comparison between the OEM taillight and the Euro taillight from Mustang lights. So I'm gonna install them right now, and then get you guys some B-roll so you can see how they look, and then after that I'll show you OEM versus Euro, whatever side they're on. Alright, and here we have the Euro on this side over here, and the OEM taillight on this side. And man, the Euro just looks so much better. And I do have 2 coats of ceramic coating on it, and then the anchor room little inserts right there, so it's not as clear as these ones. But I'll show you guys the light output right now of the OEM on the right and the Euro style on the left. So here we go. That's and then let's do brake light. And then the brake light on this one. And it's hard to tell through the camera, but the Euro lights are definitely a little bit brighter than the OEM. Even with the little tent inserts, it is brighter for the brake lights, in like where the brake lights are. So, man. And it's only on camera that this looks like it's not lighting up right, but in person it's perfectly fine. Pretty sure, yeah, it still happens with this side too on camera. Looks like the bottom's not lighting up, but they're perfectly fine. The Euros look awesome. I'm gonna see if I can put it in reverse to show you guys the reverse light real quick. So give me 1 second. I'm sorry for the noise. My car's freaking out because it thinks that, well, I am behind it. But there's the reverse light on the Euros and the reverse light on the OEM ones. And man, I'd say the Euros is brighter. So all around, the Euros are brighter. They fit just like OEM. No complaints whatsoever. Definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. And yeah. All right, there you go. Now you can see the OEM versus the Euro with everything off. And man, in my opinion, the Euro looks so much better on the car. So much better. And I'll show you guys. I'm gonna put the other one on right now, and then I'll show you what it looks like with both of them. But we'll get one more view of OEM on the right versus the Euro on the left. And then I'm gonna put this one in right now, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like completed. All right, and here we go. Both of them installed. So driver's side to the passenger side, and man, these things are fucking sick, dude. I'll have a link down in the description of where you can buy them from Mustang Lights. and I think they still have some in stock. I'm not 100% sure, and I think they're like 530, 550 range. Are definitely worth the price. But dude, these things are game changers, man. I've been waiting for these forever, and I definitely recommend getting them. They are freaking awesome, dude. And I went with the anchor room inserts, like I said, just to, you know, not have too much clear. But man, I love these things, dude. One of my favorite exterior mods I've done to this car. These things just set off the rear end, especially with the, I think it's a Morimoto clear third brake light. And then I have the diodynamic side markers, and those ones are smoked, but I might order the clear ones since everything back here is clear now. And yeah, dude, I couldn't be happier with these. Definitely worth the investment, definitely worth the purchase. If you guys are on the fence about them, I'd say get them, because they're brighter and they just look better. I mean, man, just look at that. I can't get over it. I really can't get over it. Pretty much completed the rear end of this car for now, but this is where I'm gonna end the video. So if you guys made it this far, I appreciate it so much. And if you'd like, comment, and subscribe, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.